My mom while driving in this area.
In this road situation. Just makeup tutorial in this road situation. First you get your foundation.
Humiliate the guy as much as possible.
Isa pa?
Oo.
I'm weird. All I care about my life right now. It's gotta be
Tears.
singing. It's gonna sound so
Ding.
I don't know. No, don't DM me. I want to my DMs.
Si Ate Gold na po.
What your suggestion?
Alay,
Dry run here on the show.
I have this Dior blush sponsored by my sister.
Wow, ayun na ako. Kaso nag-air beauty na ako.
Ito rin, Dior mascara.
Wala kang ano? Bronzer or contour? This is my contour from Stroke
Patingin nga ako din.
Gamit ko tuloy. Ay po. Makakuha ng OEC. Ang tigmaka mo na gano'n. Okay na po.
Hindi rin ko lang dito. Tapos meron kang makikita yan yung pintuan na yan. Doon ka pa,
Ah,
ka pa.
okay.
Tapos
Sige.
meron kang makikita doon balik manggagawa. Tanong ka sa guard para
Okay.
ituro ka sa window.
Thank you po.
Pasig City!
So guys, ito nga pala yung minili namin for lunch. Wow.
Bagay sa'yo,
Ganda lang,
tita.
bagay na ba? Talagang tambay ka ng TikTok. Wala pa nga.
Ayan, kasi mga ginagawa mo sa Bali kasi.
Yan.
Tsaka sa Japan. Mga ginagawa
Uy,
mo.
di ko pala napakita yung sa Japan mo kinaka.
Ito mo pa. So, yan ang pangalan. Ito pangalan. At saka perma dito. Ubo dito.
Thank you po, sir. Yes po.
Thank you.
Nakita ko na. Tapos sabi na pirma niya lang ako ng form. Ba't ka naka-face mask?
Siyempre,
Bungal ka na ba? Miss!
Bumiyaya.
Di ba time reveal tayo ng sabaw? Tawag lang ako.
nakita ka.
Talaga?
Ano?
Wala. Saan ano mo?
Nandun po. Nandun doon ba? Kay mami pa.
Smart.
Smart. Nako.
Pare-pareho kami mukhang ano.
Smart.
Ay, why na po doon?
Wow!
Po, tama na kaya yung sa atin.
Ano po ba yan? Grill?
Hawla.
Ah, ayun. Pwede na po yan.
Leo, wag napainit, makawawa. Ay, sunog. Mas maliit.
Game, kain na.
Ano mo, babe?
Oo, sige.
Walking to... Anong pangalan ng pickle? Pickle pot. Pickler pot. Yan!
So, wala mga 11 na ano. Pero parang sa body ko. Sila lang yung nagsaserve na rin. Sila lang na nakapunto.
Ang hirap pala na to. Oh!
Match point.
Panalo na ba? Isa pa? Woo! Nice game!
Kasi diba nagbakasyon kami last time, tapos ang dala, may camera dala yung friend mo. Ganito rin, pero yung dala ko siya. Tapos nakita ko yung ugali, yung ganda. Kasi ginamit din namin yung picture.
And squeeze away. Stand.
You're going to bend your knees a little. Reach the core, the tail in.
Square.
Chin up.
Lift off.
Final ace. Pero let me know pag nasakit ha, kasi usually I put the wrap.
And 3.
You know. Pero yan. Yan.
Okay. Other side.
You know. 3. Okay lang.
Okay na kayo dyan, no?
And 4.
Okay.
4. 5. Chin up.
So, left.
Dapat wala sa
Round
wrist
is
yung
fine.
weight
Yes,
ha.
shoulders away from your ears.
Got this.
Yes. Now, let's
Control ha.
inhale.
Dapat 4. But
Here.
more. Use the back
As
of
you
the legs.
exhale, inhale.
Yes.
Knees are turned out. Yes, knees are turned out. Heels to get closer. Exhale, bend, knees are turned out.
Exhale.
Knees are turned out. Knees are turned out. When you're done. Yes. And then inhale, extend again.
Exhale.
Inhale again. And then bend, knees are turned. Extend the knees. Lower the knee. Lift it up. Exhale, bend, knees are turned. And extend. Lower. Lift.
Ay, nako.
Okay, at least nakasabay ka naman.
Yan, tom yum.
Tom yum medium po, mixed seafood po, top with sila.
Guys, look what just came in. This is from my friend Brianna, and I'm going to try her homemade nachos. Sobrang harap. As in. Thank you, Bri.
Sitting beneath the sky, here